The Signal Tester in Optima is a great way to test your trading ideas and strategies using the custom scripting formulas. So let's say, for example, you want to know what happens on average, looking back in time, when there's a moving average crossover, for example, or there's a new 20-day high, or there's a cross in the RSI value, for example. So in the Signal Test, you can create a formula for any technical event and test it over a universe of stocks and see what actually happened in the market. So for professional services clients, this can be accessed under the Searches Signal Tester option, and for other clients, this is available as an optional add-on module from the tool store. So this is the Signal Tester window that opens. So I'm going to click on New Signal Test, and this example I'm going to look at the average directional indicator, so the ADX, and where there's a crossover from the ADX plus and the ADX minus lines. So I'll just call that ADX crossover, and then in the settings column I'll click the script option to bring up the script editor window. So here we type ADX, hit enter, and then using the dot notation, dot DM plus, crosses above, ADX dot DM minus. That script is now valid, so we'll apply that. And now we select what we're going to test this signal on. So we can use a comparison index. So I'm going to test on the ASX 200 as the comparison and test multiple codes. And by default, I've already got the top 200 in the ASX ticked. So we're going to go over the last 5 years on a daily basis. And by default, it's going to be look at 30 days prior to each signal and 252 days after, so roughly a trading year. And I'm going to test that signal. So now it's going to go back 5 years and test each occasion where that condition was met. So there was almost 11,000 results. Took just over 5 seconds to do that. And you can see the day 0 is the time of each crossover, and there's the 30 days leading up to it, and the 252 days after. There is a video on our web page, our video page, which goes into the Signal Tester in much more detail, so I encourage you to take a look at that. But for this example, just showing you how to enter some scripting formulas. And what we can also do is edit once we've created one. So we've got that result there, that's great, but let's tweak it a little bit. Let's say that we also want the ADX line sloping up. So, and ADX dot ADX is up. And then we can apply that and test the signal again. So again, it's only going to take a few seconds, it's very quick, and obviously there'll be less results as the condition is there's more variables involved. So that's the results there. So hope that's been useful. Any questions, please let us know.